Good morning students. Today topic absolute value of real number. Let x is any real number, then absolute value of x is denoted by mod x and define as mod x is equal to x if x greater than 0. If x greater than 0, mod x value is x. Mod x is equal to minus x. If x less than 0, x is negative, so mod x value is minus x. Mod x is equal to 0 if x is equal to 0. Mod x is equal to x if x is positive. Mod x is equal to minus x if x is negative. Mod x is equal to 0 if x is equal to 0. See this example. Modulus of minus 3. What is the result? Here x is negative. If x is negative, what is the result? Minus x. Minus, what is x value? Minus 3. So minus into minus, it becomes plus. Modulus of 5. If x is positive, the result is x only. So if this is positive, x value is positive, it becomes 5. Modulus of 0 is equal to 0 only. If x is equal to 0, mod x is equal to 0. Modulus of minus 3.5. Here x value is negative. So modulus of, if x is equal to less than 0, x is negative. So mod x is equal to minus x. Minus, this is x, minus 3.5 plus 3.5. What did you observe? Absolute value is always non-negative integer. No, sorry, non-negative real number. Absolute value is always non-negative real number. So therefore absolute value is always non-negative real number. Non-negative real numbers. Okay, this is important point. Absolute value is always non-negative real number. Okay, some properties are there, so we have to discuss properties. So let a is greater than 0 means, that means a is positive. Let a is greater than 0. So first one is, if mod x is equal to a, then what is the solution of this one? X is equal to plus or minus a. If mod x is equal to a, then x is equal to plus or minus a. So proof. So x is equal to a is positive. So x is equal to a, this is only possible if x is greater than 0. If x is greater than 0, x is greater than 0 means x also positive, a also positive. So x is equal to a, and minus x is equal to a if x is less than 0. X is negative. Okay, x is negative, minus x is equal to a, this is positive, minus of minus, x is negative, minus x means it becomes positive. Okay, this is positive, this is also positive. So x is equal to a if x greater than 0, and minus x is equal to a if x less than 0. So this is x is equal to a. Here minus x is equal to a means multiply with negative, x is equal to minus a. So therefore x is equal to plus or minus a. X is equal to plus or minus a. This is one of the property, one of the formula also. So if modulus of x is equal to a, then x is equal to plus or minus a. Next one, if mod x less than a, then minus a less than x less than a. If mod x less than a, then minus a less than x less than a. So proof x less than a, here a is positive, x less than a if x is greater than 0, and minus x less than a if x is less than 0, x less than a, x less than a if x is greater than 0, and minus x less than a if x is less than 0. Here x is greater than 0, here x is less than 0. So here x less than a, here multiply with minus, x greater than minus a, x greater than minus a means here, so this is minus infinity plus infinity, here minus a, here plus a. So x values are more than of minus a, more than means like this. So here x values are smaller of a, smaller means like this, means x values are satisfied between minus a comma a. Okay, so here this can be written as commonly minus a less than x less than a. So x values are more than of minus a, more than of minus a and less than of a. So therefore solution is x belongs to minus a comma a, x belongs to minus a comma a. Similarly, mod x less than or equal to a, then minus a less than or equal to x less than or equal to a, then solution x belongs to minus a comma a, both are included. Okay, so next property, if mod x greater than a, then x greater than a and x less than minus a, or minus a greater than x greater than a. Okay, so this is also one formula. So this is also formula. So using these formulas we have to solve problems. Proof. So x greater than a if x is greater than 0, and minus x greater than a if x less than 0. So this is x greater than a only, here multiply with minus, x less than minus a. So this is minus a plus a, x values are smaller of minus a, smaller means like this, x values are more than of a, so x values does not lies between minus a and a. Okay, does not lies between. So solution is here x belongs to minus infinity comma minus a union a comma plus infinite. This is solution. Okay, and this can be written as here minus a greater than x greater than a, like this also. Minus a means x values are smaller of minus a, smaller of minus a and more than of plus a, more than of plus a, minus a greater than x greater than a. Okay, minus a greater than x greater than a. So similarly, mod x greater than or equal to a, then minus a greater than or equal to x greater than or equal to a, or so x belongs to minus infinity comma a, minus a union a comma plus infinite. So this is total is dependent on a is positive, let a is negative, a less than 0. Okay, so here mod x is equal to a. What is the solution of this one? Here a is negative. A is negative means this modulus values is always positive only, so did not get negative. So that's why here no solution. See this example, mod x minus 3 is equal to minus 10. Okay, this is no solution. Why? Because if you take any value of x, this total result it becomes positive only, it did not get a negative, so that's why no solution. Mod x less than a, here also a is negative. A is negative means if you take any value of x, this total term is positive only, so positive that is smaller of negative, that is not possible. So that's why this is also no solution. Means the same, x minus 3 is less than minus 10, like this. Mod x greater than a is negative. Okay, if you take any value of x, this total term is positive, this is negative, so this value is compulsory more than of this one. So all values of x means all real values of x, you take any value means any real number.